These will dry really quick, so I'm going to end up doing these guys first. I did laundry yesterday, and only got one thing left on the line that's not completely dry yet, so everything else has been taken in and put away. And it's another hot one today, folks, I'll tell you that. Real quick reminder, live stream tonight at 8 o'clock. I hope to see you all then. So some of you asked how I do laundry, and I think I may have shown this before, but pretty simple. I put the soap in the one bucket, moving stuff around in there. Then the other bucket is just clean water. That's my rinse bucket. Days like today are perfect for doing this though, because it's just like I said, these bandanas, like I said, that's why I'm doing them first. They'll be dry real quick on a day like today. Woo. Make sure that that's running. Is that running? Oh yeah, okay. I was looking to see if make sure it was still running, because when it gets too hot, it has a tendency not to record or shut off on me. So every time you go out to the laundromat, you're looking at 12-15 bucks to do your laundry. Not even talking about, you know, the gas it's taking to get there and the time you're killing, you know, waiting around, waiting for the washer to finish and then waiting for the clothes to dry. I mean, I don't mind doing that, like I said, in the wintertime. But this time of year, I'd rather just do this. Way easier, and just get stuff done. And I can fart around with other stuff if I want to. I think our temperature today is going to be 98. It's funny because down here, like I had gone out the other day, did a little running around and stuff, had to get a few things, and I always wear a bandana. I prefer a bandana over a hat. I sweat a lot off my forehead, and that's why I like wearing a bandana. So I'm out and about doing my thing, and I literally see not one other person with a bandana. Everybody's got hats. Everybody wears hats down here. So I got more to do there, but I want to get this so that we're out of the sun for a minute. But I just got to go over here and show you. I mean, 5 days worth of bandanas. I got like 2 more in there, and I had done a bunch yesterday as well. But yeah, so just hang it up on the line, let it dry. When it's dry, I take it down, and then, you know, that's why like today I'm doing the bandanas first. I got a couple of pairs of pants that I want to do as well, but I wanted to get these squared away first because these dry real quick. A pair of pants is going to take forever to dry. So get these done, probably come out in a half an hour, so you can see the water dripping off of them. They'll probably be dry within a half an hour, and then I'll get them all collected, and then I'll just wash some more. So I'm going to finish washing what I got, see what else I can get washed here in the meantime, and just kind of go from there. But alright guys, I will see you all tonight at 8 o'clock for the live stream, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.